Hi everyone, today we're going to review or go over solving integer word problems. Follow along on the sheet that I handed out for homework today. We are going to be starting with the first problem on the side that says addition word problems. So we're starting on number 7. Let's go ahead and read this. At 4 a.m., the outside temperature was negative 23 degrees Fahrenheit. By 4 o'clock p.m., that day, it rose 33 degrees. What was the temperature at 4 p.m.? Now, we have a lot of numbers here, and we're talking about time, temperature, degrees. Let's see, what are we really wanting? What is our question? What do they want from us? So, the question is, what was the temperature at 4 p.m.? We don't want to know the time, we want to know the temperature. So important here is our temperature. So do we have to look at the times? Not really. Let's just cross them out a little bit so we can focus more. Now it says at 4 a.m., that's the beginning time. The temperature was, let's see if I can change some colors here. No, it's not going to let me change. Oh, there we go. At 4 p.m., the temperature was negative 23. So that's where we're starting. We're starting at negative 23. And then, by 4 p.m. that day, it rose 33 degrees. Now, it says addition word problem, so obviously we're going to add. But if we didn't know this was an addition word problem, the key word here that's going to help us is rose. Rose means to go up. So the temperature got higher, and it got higher by 33. Not negative, not decreased. It rose 33, so it got higher than by 33 degrees. Okay, so we have to add these. Now, if you remember, negative 23 plus positive 33 is going to equal 10 degrees Fahrenheit. We need to have our label, don't forget that. Now, if you're still not quite sure, let's look at a number line. Not an actual straight number line, but a number line nonetheless. We're at negative 23. We have to get larger. Remember, larger is to the right. We have to jump 33 steps. Well, if this is 0, it's going to take us 23 just to get to 0. That took care of 23 steps. We still have to do another 10. Here's my other 10 steps. And that brings me to not 33. That brings me to 10. Because again, 23 plus 10 equals 33. And don't forget to label your answer. So my final answer is 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's look at a subtraction word problem on the other side of the page. So we're now looking at subtraction word problems. We're looking at problem number 7, the first problem on this page. A mine worker is in a tunnel 15 feet below ground. He descends another 8 feet. What is his final position? So, well, we know this is a subtraction word problem because it has the word descends, which means to go down. So, let's see here. We're starting at 15 feet below ground. 15 feet below ground, we write that as negative 15. Now he descends another 8 feet. Descends means to subtract, and we go down 8 feet. Minus 8. And we want to figure out what that equals. Now remember, from the video, subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative. So, negative 15 plus negative 8 is negative 23. Because when we have the same sign, we just have to add it together and keep the sign. And what are we talking about? What's our unit of measurement? Feet. Must not forget our label. 23 feet. And that is our final answer. So go ahead, work on the other 6 problems on both sides of the paper. Try your best. Feel free to underline, highlight, circle, whatever you need to do, and we are going to go over these tomorrow in class. If you need to review, remember you can watch this video multiple times. Have a great evening.